YouTubers, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a celebrity inspired look tutorial. I haven't done one of these in a minute. I was doing a whole series of celebrity inspired and I was doing so well, and then I somehow fell off the wagon of that and I forgot all about celebrity inspired look. So today's celebrity inspired makeup look will be from the one and only, yep, you guessed it right, it's Khloe Kardashian. I realize I haven't done her makeup inspired look yet, but I have done her hair tutorial inspired look. So I'll link it right here in the bubble. You just click it right there, or in the bottom bar. That's where the tutorial is for the hair. I'm gonna do the makeup today. Here's a close-up of the look. I feel like it's her classic look. This is like her go-to coral lip neutral eye. I noticed that she always do like a nice glowy bronzy eye, neutral colors, and a nice bold like corally lip. I feel like that's her signature look, so we're gonna do that today. I already applied skincare and everything. We're gonna fast forward. I'm gonna throw on some brows and I will be right back. Okay, welcome back. So I already threw on some brows. I am wearing the Benefit Cream Gel Brow. This is a number 4 brow, and I just add on a little bit of matte carbon since my hair is super dark and black, just to throw that cooler dark tint to it. I didn't add too much, just a smidge, so it evens out, because the number 4 is very like warm tone and it looks very obvious and not my color. Let's go on with our face. So I am into putting on complexion currently first before I do my eyes. So I'm taking my Marc Jacobs Remarkable Foundation. This one is number 34 Beige Medium. If you guys see my review, first impression of this foundation, you already know that it's a little bit off in color. I never went back to the store to exchange for another color because I'm so lazy to do that. And plus, it's okay, I have tons of other colors I can mix with, which is what I'm gonna do today. So I'm using my little platform here, taking my Bare Minerals Bare Skin foundation in Bare Ivory number 4. I'm just gonna put like 2 droplets on here because I don't need like super ultra full coverage, since Remarkable's already really full coverage. Just gonna mix the two. While that's mixed, we're gonna apply on some primer. Primer today, I'm gonna take MAC Prep and Prime Radiance. This is the Natural Radiance in yellow. This is just the sample size, I mean, because I have so many primers. Just trying to use them up. Because this foundation is so like full coverage, I want a little bit more of a dewy underneath. Taking this MAC 159 dual fiber, applying that primer. Alright, so now we're gonna apply our foundation, just using a flat concealer brush to apply in designated areas. A Real Technique multitask brush. I'm going to take a smaller brush. This is the Real Technique contour brush, just to get underneath the eyes easier because it's smaller. So that means it's more shorter bristles, so I can get in the area I need to without poking my eye out, because nobody wants that. So I'm just going to set my face with a big powder brush. This is the MAC 134. Taking my MAC Studio Care Blend. This is in shade Light because I'm very fair. I'm about NC25, so very fair. I'm just setting the outer perimeter of my face first, because the center I'm going to use a lighter foundation color. Now for the center of my face, I'm going to use my Maybelline Dream Matte Powder. This is in the shade Cream Light 4-5. And I'm using my Hakuhodo brush. We can move on to our eyes. So for eyes, I'm going to take a eye primer first. I mean, since Khloe's eyeshadow colors are pretty neutral, so it should be fairly easy. I am going to take my Benefit Air Patrol eye primer, and we're going to just blend that with our fingers. We are going to smoke it out, so we don't need perfection applying the primer. You just want it to cover all the bases that you are going to apply the shadow. So what I'm going to do is take a skin tone shade to set that primer in place. To do so, I'm going to take that same Dream Matte powder, just apply that all over our eye area, just to set the primer in place. Today we're going to use the Juvia Masquerade palette just because it's nearby me. I'm just going to use this, and it has some essential bronzy tone shades, so we're mainly going to go towards this side of the palette because it's more neutrals. I'm going to start off by doing my highlight to my brow bone. Taking this 201 eyeshadow brush by Borghese, and I'm going to take the color Giza, this one right here. We're going to apply this to our brow bone right along here. This is where she mainly had the highlight. Khloe is actually my favorite Kardashian of all three. I know everyone loves Kim, but I like Khloe the most because I feel like I relate to her the most. She's like so blunt, straightforward, and I love that about her. Alright, so I am going to take this shade in Burkina right here. It's like a cool tone brown. Taking a MAC 224 fluffy brush, do a quick swirl on that shadow. Apply it to my outer crease to give a nice smoked out backdrop for our bronzy look. I feel like this look is very like J-Lo inspired. I'm just being kind of messy with it, not perfect, just because it is blown out. And then I do notice that they smoked a lot into the inner corner here, so I'm gonna do the same. When you apply shadow right here, it just defines the nose a lot more, but also gives that really dramatic effect, which I'm not really used to because I don't really put it all the way over there. That's okay. And then we are going to apply the same color to the lower lash line. I am now taking this MAC 213 brush, flat head shadow brush, taking the same exact color, run it to the lower lash line first, and then go to that 2024 and go ahead and blow it out by doing little circular motions right underneath the lash line. Not on the lash line because you don't want to poke your eye, just mainly right underneath, ever so slightly, so it looks more smoky that way. Just to give myself some dimension on the eye without just it being just like one tone brown, I'm going to add another brown. I'm using this dual ended brush from Urban Decay Naked 2 palette. Taking the fluffy side, I'm just going to pick up some of, what is this, Fulani right here. What is it? Corner shade. Just going to run it on the corners. Since I don't have a deep crease, I'm just going to make the illusion of having a crease. Run some to the lower lash line once again. But this is going to go right against the lash line though. I'm going to deepen it a little bit underneath the lash line with a carbon, which is straight up black. Just where my lash is going to be at, my mascara. Because on top we're going to wear falsies anyway, so I don't need to do it to the top. Just the bottom. I am going to apply a bronzy shade on the lid to create that bronzy glow. So I'm going to take this color in Casablanca, this nice bronzy shade. Apply it all over my lid. I haven't used this shade at all yet. Oh yes. Make sure you tie it together. I'm actually digging this look, Khloe. Looks really good. I'm gonna apply a little bit of the same Casablanca in the inner corner here to give it a balance. I don't think she has something as bold as this color on there, but hey, it's inspired for a reason, right? It's not gonna be exact. I'm also gonna throw on a little bit of this Dahlia shade here. Using this Morphe M224 brush, which is a concealer brush. Apply this right to the lid. Oh yes. Because hers is not as warm as that shade. Dilute the warmth of that. This is gorgeous. I personally wore it the way it was, but since her look is a little bit more diluted here and not as warm tone, this is why I like Khloe's the most, because her stuff is like blown out, not have to be perfect. Semi-messy, effortless looking. Alright, I'm gonna throw on some lashes and some mascara. Be right back. Alright, so lashes and mascara is on. So now we're gonna move on to our complexion. And I'm just gonna take my Clinique bronzer. Looks like that. It looks like Khloe has mostly just bronzers on. So I'm gonna apply mostly contour. Using this dual ended brush from Bare Minerals as I usually do. Just gonna shape in my face. She practically used the bronzer as blush as well, so I'm gonna apply it as blush too. I'm gonna take the Anastasia contour kit to contour the rest of my face. So this one, taking my usual fawn shade over here to deepen. buff everything in. I'm gonna apply a little bit of highlight. I need a little bit of a balance. It's a little bit too just bronze right now. I'm going to take Morphe Champagne Nights Pressed Pigment. I'm gonna take the Morphe M501, my favorite highlighting brush. And this one does glow a little bit pinker, just because I'm not used to not wearing blush. I'm a blush girl. I love blush. So this will just balance out a little bit for me. I'm not wearing blush since this is kind of pink undertone. Lips is the last step. Corally lips. Okay, I'm gonna use two different lip liners. I'm gonna use this Makeup Forever Aqua Lip in number 17C, which is like a nice bright orangey red tone lip liner. And then I'm also gonna balance it out with the NYX Chocolate 806 lip liners, more of a neutral brown. So I'm using the chocolate one just to give it more of a fuller pouty lip. I'm gonna apply it to, because she has really big lips, she like overdraws a lot. I'm gonna try to do it. I already naturally have kind of big lips. Hers are much bigger, so we're gonna try and do it. She connected the top too, so the chocolate's just gonna make that shadow that we want. You notice it's like immediately you can see it looks poutier. Now I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Forever orangey lip liner. I'm gonna line inside of it, just right underneath it, because her lip here is very like orangey coral, very loud. Go back to your brownish lip liner, kind of blend that together. Okay, now I'm taking this Sephora lipstick in, it's called Samba Sephora Rouge, nice corally bright shade. See how the lip liner kind of like accentuate the shape, a little bit more fluffy looking, made it look a little more bigger than it really is. So I think that completes the look. All you gotta do is just spray some setting spray, Mayron barrier spray. I just put it in my e.l.f. bottle. Let me just go do my hair, throw on some contacts. We'll be right back. Okay, welcome back guys. So we are complete with the look. We did the hair, put on some contacts so we look a little bit more foreign since I have naturally dark brown eyes. This is my take on Khloe Kardashian's go-to look. My hair is a lot shorter than hers in that photo. I'm pretty sure she's wearing extensions maybe, I don't know, but I really like the look. It's really, I don't know, I want to say like cute but slash really swag like. I dig it. I haven't worn a bright lip like this in a while, so it really fits the look. I hope you guys enjoy this look, and I will see you guys in my next celebrity inspired. And if you guys have any requests for maybe a celebrity you want me to redo, do comment below, let me know. Thumbs up the video, subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you guys in my next one. Have a good day.